Hello lifestylers, and welcome back to Lifestyle with LaToshia. Well, in today's video, we're going to be doing something really special. I have a new accent piece in my family room that I'm going to be showcasing in this video that I'm really excited about. And then I have a collaboration that I'm going to talk about and share with you guys with PURECOZY here shortly. And I'm going to reveal to you all the magnificent things that they have to offer. So I'm really excited about that. And then the final thing that we're going to do in this video is that you're going to get to prep dinner for my family. And we're going to sit down and enjoy our family meal. As you know, if you've been here on this channel, we've had some things that we've been kind of dealing with family-wise. And so it was just time that we sat down and enjoyed ourselves and had dinner and just took the time to, you know, reconnect, as I'll say. But if you've been here before, I want to say thank you for joining me again on this channel. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time, welcome. I appreciate you as well. And as we get ready to get started, if you're interested in anything that you see on this channel, or if it gives you any sort of inspiration, please hit that like button down below. I really would appreciate it. In the meantime, we're going to go ahead and get started, but I definitely want to hear your comments. I definitely want you to subscribe, and I most definitely want you to share. So please do all of those things and then hit that notification bell twice. That way you're notified of everything that we've got going on this channel, and we're going to go ahead and get started. So let's go. Well, guys, we're going to kick this video off with a bang by starting out with a beautiful collaboration with PURECOZY rugs, where they feature some of the most amazing rugs. They are inspired by the timeless artistry of traditional Persian weaving. Out of this collection, I chose the ARIA design, and it features intricate floral motifs, softly faded finishes, and a harmonious composition that brings grace and depth into my space. It feels like a story underfoot, and it blends the elegance of the past with the ease of modern living. And that is perfect for my home, which is transitional. Another benefit is the stain resistant and easy clean ability. They are so pet friendly and non-slip, which I absolutely love, especially if you have fur babies in your home. The great thing about that, though, is that they are machine washable. So imagine that if you were to have an accident in your home, you simply could take this piece to your laundry and have it refreshed in a matter of moments. I absolutely love that. And they're soft, safe, and certified. You can't beat that. And I'm so grateful that they decided to partner with me and allow me to share that information with you. So I received this package a few weeks ago, and honestly, I was delighted when I opened it up, because this was the ARIA vintage brown rug that is in a traditional sense. And when I tell you, it is so soft to the touch, and it was just a beautiful color. This rug came in at the perfect time and filled that space perfectly with what I was looking for. It was just a beautiful accent to go into the space of my living room. And I love the way that it complemented the colors that I had in that space and how it added some depth into that room. The colors were absolutely subtle, but yet beautiful enough that they enhanced everything that I was wanting to do in my living room space. Now, in addition to having a beautiful ARIA rug in my living space for my family, I also found a beautiful West M coffee table on Facebook Marketplace while I was thumbing through late one evening. And I tell you, I am thrilled and I am so in love with the way that these two pieces come together. They are the perfect complement to each other, and I loved it when I saw it. And I'm so glad I was able to pick up this piece. So remember, guys, when I say don't be afraid to thrift shop, don't be afraid to check out Facebook Marketplace and find some amazing finds that can change your space, and you find it for pennies on the dollar. I absolutely love that this table was available and I was able to snag it to go right on top of this new PURECOZY rug. They look beautiful together and I just was elated when I saw it. So now I'm going to take a quick moment and I'm going to set up this space and curate it just in time as I get ready to prep for my family for dinner. So we're going to start out with a soft palette of colors because, as I said, in the PURECOZY rug, they tend to be more of a muted color. So I wanted to bring in just a hint of color to enhance that space a little bit. So I'm going to bring in some soft golds and I'm going to bring in this soft peach color because we're just on the cusp of spring, but we're going to keep it mostly neutral. I've got some accent pieces that I'm going to add into the space as well that are just usable for me. And then, of course, I've got my beautiful Architectural Digest coffee table book. And I decided that I was going to try to find something that had a similar color in there to bring a little pop to that table just to enhance that space a little more. And then, of course, we're going to add in just a decor piece just to finalize the look of my new coffee table. Of course, if you've been here before, you know candles are a part of my everyday life, and so I absolutely love them. And now, here is the reveal. These two areas put together and how beautiful and seamless they mesh together in my space. I absolutely love them. I hope you are too. So leave me your comments and let me know. If anything is shoppable, of course, I'll link it down below. Or you can scan the QR code right here on the screen.
I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And once again, I want to thank PURECOZY for collaborating and being a sponsor on this video. And now we're going to move right along into the kitchen. So as I mentioned before, we've been dealing with some serious situations family-wise, as everyone does. And I just decided, you know what, it is so overdue and time for a sit-down, home-cooked comfort food meal. So today I decided that I was going to prepare some cabbage for my family. So you see I've already cut the cabbage up and I'm going to clean it in just a moment. I'm going to also include on this video the ingredients that I use and some of the items that I'm going to prepare today. So if by chance you're interested and you want to try some of these dishes, you can. So I'm cutting up a few onions. I don't know about you, but I've seen the tools and kitchen gadgets that you could utilize that can cut up onions and do all these things and make it faster. I don't know, but for me, I get some pleasure just out of cutting up and dicing onions and celery and bell pepper and all of those things. So it's just something that I enjoy. So what you're seeing me do here, you're seeing me cut a large onion into two, and then I'm going to divide the onions out. Half of the onions will be to go into my cabbage, and the other half is going to go into the main entree of our meal for this evening, which is going to be a meatloaf. So I'm going to dice some larger to go into the cabbage, and then I'm going to dice some pretty small along with this bell pepper to go into the meatloaf. So that's just a way that I'm knocking out both of those tedious tasks at the same time. So now I'm going to move over to the pot that I already have simmering with some chicken broth in it. And I'm going to go ahead and add my onions, and then I'm going to start adding the seasonings. And as you can see here on the screen, I put the recipe up for you to follow along. as far as the seasoning goes, it's dependent upon your taste. Whatever your tastes are, for some of these items, you might like more, you might like less. For me, I just eye it. Crushed red peppers are a fave for us because we do like things with a little kick, but that's optional for you. And then I'm going to put the cabbage that has already been washed into the pot and begin to let it boil. As it begins to boil, I'm now going to go back in and I am going to mix in all of those ingredients that are in the bottom of that pot into the cabbage and continue to let it simmer. But you're going to see me turn it down because I don't want it to boil any longer. We like it to have a little bit of a crunch, but not too much. Now moving right along, I'm going to have to apologize because as I was doing this video, I realized that someone called my phone, stopped the recording, and I did not catch it. So by the time I realized that I had already mixed in the ingredients, have no fear, I've actually put them on the screen. And so you can see all of these ingredients there for you to utilize. I spray my pan down and then I put all of those ingredients once hand mixed into this casserole dish. And then I put it into the oven at 350 degrees and I let it cook until it's brown. Once it becomes brown, I add ketchup on the top and then I add some parsley. And I did not add the parsley in the ingredients, but that's optional as well. All right, now we're going to move right along. The final thing that I'm going to showcase in this video, however, it's not the last thing that we're going to include in our dinner menu for this evening, is going to be some chunky mashed potatoes. So this is one of my family favorites. We love a good mashed potato. Sometimes we'll actually take a Yukon Gold and we will smash them and cook them in the oven that way. But this is just a simple way that we just really wanted some good Southern comfort food that we could just sit down and enjoy. And so with the chunky mashed potatoes, I've boiled the potatoes already, peeled them, and now I'm adding in a stick of butter. I'm going to put in some salt, black pepper, onion powder. I'm going to add in half a cup of chicken broth. And I only do a half a cup because I don't want them to be too soupy. We love for our mashed potatoes to be a little bit on the thicker side and to be able to have that chunky texture to them. And so I don't add as much liquid all at one time. I do it in phases. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to smash them thoroughly as much as possible just to get them a lot smoother. And mind you now, as I said before, I've already cooked these on top of the stove top, which has allowed them to become extremely tender. And now I'm going to add in a half a cup of milk with this, or you could do cream if you like that, richer flavor in your mashed potatoes. I did not have it on hand, so I decided to go with the milk. And then what I'll do is I'll mix these all together and add a little parsley on top as a garnish. Well, there you have it, guys. Dinner is served. So we've got the meatloaf, we've got some cabbage, I made some cornbread, I put in the mashed potatoes, and then I had some carrots that I seasoned with some cinnamon. I added in a little bit of vanilla extract to give it a little bit of flavor because I do have some kiddos that are not as fond of the carrots. However, we do what we can to make it appetizing. And then we had some crowder peas. And now we're sitting down to dinner. And we're just going to sit and enjoy each other's company. It's been a minute. We've been running for a while. And it was well and long overdue. So we've got one of the family members that is missing. She actually had a Zoom call that she was attending to this evening. However, she'll be down shortly and we'll continue on with the night. I want to thank you guys for joining me this evening. I hope that you've enjoyed all of the content that you've seen in this video. I really appreciate you being here. And most importantly, I appreciate everyone that took the time to utter a word of prayer for my family or to send a message. I really and sincerely thank you. We all thank you. As we all know, life can give us all some blows, expected and unexpected. And we just have to move through life with grace and understanding, knowing that it will all be better just around the corner. So once again, if you like this video, hit that like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave your comments down below, and then most importantly, share this video with someone else. I really would appreciate it. As always, I thank you guys and have a great evening. Take care. Bye-bye.
So my mind